Welcome to Radio Alj. I'm Chandramouli Pathak, Director of Entrepreneurship and Family Business course at LJ Institute. I think we have a wonderful team today. Anand sir
Hello.
and Anay Pashuwala.
Hi.
They have a business of their own, and very interestingly, they are father and son team. फैमिली बिजनेस में जैसे होता है हमेशा कि जनरेशन पर जनरेशन चले आते हैं, तो आपकी तो शायद थर्ड जनरेशन है,
Fourth.
फोर्थ जनरेशन है, तो इट विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू टॉक अबाउट द जर्नी टुवर्ड दिस. This podcast is meant for business people, entrepreneurs, and family business to really understand good practices and how the young generation has taken over and how the elder experiences have been transmitted to young generation. So, मशहूरा साहब, આપણે આખી हम ये जर्नी की बात करेंगे तो सबसे पहले जानना चाहेंगे कि ये बिजनेस कब सेट हुआ, कितने साल पहले, और ये क्या बिजनेस है, क्या नाम है, क्या कर रहे हैं आप?
So it started by my grandfather in 1911. He was importers of pipes and pipe fittings. Maybe to the best of my knowledge, he was the first person to introduce pipes in Ahmedabad.
Oh, I see.
Then later on, it was taken over by my the next generation, that is my father as well as his brothers. And then they started thinking about putting up an industry. So my father was a pioneer, and it was his baby to start his manufacturing unit in the year 1960.
Oh,
And that time it was a very unique thing being an MSME. Uh, so that journey started in 1960 as a manufacturer of the same product. So then later
क्या
on,
बना रहे हैं आप?
we manufacture industrial valves. So this is complementary product from pipes to valves.
अच्छा अच्छा, सो वेरी गुड लॉन्ग जर्नी.
Yes.
सो आपने जब ये बिजनेस लिया तो क्या हालत में थे और आप क्या रोल कर रहे थे, कैसे आपने एस्टेब्लिश किया?
Yes, it's an important thing. My gestures to all the viewers, the listeners. I am basically a commerce student. और एक कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट होने के हिसाब से एक इंजीनियरिंग कंपनी में, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग कंपनी में जाना, इट इज़ डिफिकल्ट. एंड वन और द अदर रीज़न, बिकॉज ऑफ माई इंटरेस्ट इन इंजीनियरिंग, मैं इंजीनियरिंग में चला गया कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट होने के बावजूद. एंड लेटर ऑन, बिकॉज ऑफ माई इंटरेस्ट, आई वॉज एबल टू कैरी फॉरवर्ड फर्दर एज अ एंटरप्रेन्योर. यस.
सो बहुत अच्छी जर्नी है. हम आपके पास फिर आएंगे. तो ये जनरेशन, फोर्थ जनरेशन अनय को दिया गया. तो अनय, हाउ यू एंटर्ड एंड were you in dilemma to enter the business, or you were thinking of something independent? Would you like to share for our young next generation entrepreneur?
सो मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि आई वॉज ग्रूम्ड टू बी ए फैमिली बिजनेस पार्टिसिपेंट. मैं फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड के वैकेशन से बिजनेस में जाता रहता था. मैंने अपनी फर्स्ट मार्केटिंग टिप 10th स्टैंडर्ड के वैकेशन में की थी. जब मेरे दोस्त लोग हार्डी बॉयज, आई डोंट नो इफ मेनी ऑफ यू वुड बी नोइंग अबाउट दिस, बट देयर इज अ बुक कॉल्ड हार्डी बॉयज. जब वो लोग ऐसी नॉवेल्स पढ़ रहे, तब मैं चैपमैन सीरीज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेसेस पढ़ रहा था.
Oh,
इट्स अ रेफरेंस बुक फॉर थर्ड ईयर इंजीनियरिंग, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग. तो मैं तो पहले से ही बिजनेस में इन्वॉल्व, मतलब हमारे डाइनिंग टेबल कॉन्वर्सेशंस पहले से ही बिजनेस के रहे हैं. तो मैं इन्वॉल्व बहुत बहुत
oh,
closely
very
था.
good, very good. It's a very
At the same point of time, I have been very passionate about teaching. So that has been my Anay Mashruwala's experience or contribution or aspiration. But then that is 1 day a week hobby, which is also a profession. But the 6 days a week I am into.
Yes, very interesting, very interesting. So I think we find that both of you have an industrial experience as an entrepreneur. और साथ में एकेडमिक्स में भी आप लोग कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि अनय इज ए वेरी गुड मेंटर, मशवरा साहब इज टीचिंग इन अवर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कोर्स. सो इट बी वंडरफुल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एकेडमिक अदर थिंग्स. सो लेट अस आल्सो टॉक अबाउट कि आपने जब फैक्ट्री एस्टैब्लिश की तो आपको ज़्यादा लर्निंग क्या हुई है, और ये क्या लर्निंग नई जनरेशन को लेनी चाहिए?
The most important thing about learning about the business is it is absolutely core. बिजनेस पहले आता है, फिर बाद में इंजीनियरिंग आता है.
Right.
So earning is a basic thing right from the beginning, because I'm also having the succession from my father. So business के बारे में I was able to gather several examples, principles from my father. Those times, my uncles were also very much involved, and I learned plenty of things from my uncles as well, and also from basically from my father as well. But then later on, I was asked to shift towards the production shop floor. So that was my journey. It was very tough, very tough, because basic engineering के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं होता था. I learned it a hard way, but I did it. And today, as I look back, I feel that I'm equivalent to the engineers of the day.
Oh, well.
And मेरी field में I will be able to compete any person of an engineering background in my field. That's what I believe.
वेरी गुड. सो इट मीन्स अंदर जाके काम करना पड़ेगा,
Yes.
हैंड्स ऑन वर्क एक्सपीरियंस करना पड़ेगा, देन
Absolutely.
यू लर्न एंड देयर शुड बी आल्सो सम लर्निंग एपिटाइट, सो यू गो ऑन लर्निंग.
Yes, that's
वेरी गुड. सो अना, ये पूरी फैमिली बिजनेस में ऐसे कहते हैं कि द वैल्यूज एंड विजन्स आर पास्ड ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. सो हाउ दिस वैल्यूज एंड विजन्स आर प्लेइंग रोल इन बिजनेस फैमिली, क्योंकि फैमिली बिजनेस में कहते हैं एक तरफ बिजनेस है, एक तरफ फैमिली है, तो आप इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
So we have been very blessed. और Gujarati Indian family businesses में the silent players are usually the women of the home.
Oh, very
But
good.
हमारे family business में they have been active players. एंड कल्चर को बिस्टो करके कल्चर को मेंटेन करने का एक बहुत बड़ा जिम्मेदारी यूजुअली द वुमेन ऑफ द होम
Right,
हैव
very
बीन टेकन दैट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ओवर देयर. मेरी ग्रैंड मदर, सो शी हैज बीन अ वेरी इंस्पिरेशनल पर्सन इन माय लाइफ
Oh.
आल्सो, and she was the veto power holder, the kingmaker, if I may use
Oh,
that
I see.
term.
Interesting.
So my when you
They
talk
balance
about,
everything, isn't it?
so when we talk about the culture and ethos, my grandfather used to say, "कोई नो रोटलो ने ओटलो ना तोड़वो." Means never to break somebody's home or never to take away somebody's food. Now, when I joined my family business, I had this conversation that how is this in parallel to business? Because
Mhm.
the moment I am taking an order from
Naturally.
somebody's rotlo is getting taken
Correct,
care of.
correct.
And if I'm being little over enthusiastic or getting more into it, there is a chance somebody no otlo bhi tute. And I very fondly remember this conversation with my grandmother.
Okay, we'll like to know what is.
So then I used to ask her, "Okay, what is this? And what is right? What is the right approach? And how do you define right?"
Correct.
And she used to say, "Ke it is your dharma
Right.
to do business."
Correct.
And it is your dharma to take care of your inner circle and your periphery of circle, because if you will not do it, you are being disrespectful to your family, to your employees, to your customers.
Right.
Your job is to create more value.
Correct.
And what is right is not in your thought process. Somebody
Ji.
else is out
Ji,
there
ji,
much
you
bigger
karte
for to
jaiye,
decide. So this is how these conversations of values, these conversations about facts are transmitted. My mother is the veto maker today.
Oh, very good.
She is an active partner in the organization. When there are conflicts between me and my father about some thoughts, she is
That
the
was about to
person-
come into it, because I think generational conflict means disagreement on many points.
Absolutely.
So what kind of situations you have faced in the generation gap, or in terms of the changes in thinking pattern or practices pattern? So would you like to share something?
Yes. The basic thing is the horizon. See, if I'm retiring from my company at the age of 60, my horizon for the business is beyond 60 to 70 years.
Okay.
So it's a span of 10 years. So here comes the major difference, whereas the forthcoming generation has an horizon of more than 25 to 30 years. So they look for their horizons, and here the conflict starts. So it's a difference in horizon. Now, to give you a pinpoint example thereof, it's pertaining to investments. Suppose if I'm investing something, मैं कुछ investment के लिए सोच रहा हूँ कि मुझे ये चीज करनी है, तो मेरा horizon 10 साल का ही होगा.
हाँ, अच्छा.
और जबकि मेरे सन का horizon it will be more. So whether to take loans, go for internal accruals, whether to plow back the profit, ये सब issues आ जाते हैं. और जब ये issues आ जाते हैं, तभी we have to bridge that. भाई अपनी कैपेसिटी क्या है, किस तरह से बिहेव करना है, किस तरह से अप्रोच
जी,
लेना
बिल्कुल,
है,
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल।
ये होराइजन का फर्क होने की वजह से बनता ही है.
जी,
एंड दिस इज एप्लीकेबल टू एनीथिंग लाइक डे टू डे वर्किंग एज वेल.
अच्छा, अच्छा।
जैसे कि आज के दिन में बिकॉज ऑफ एन ओल्ड स्कूल, if I have to write something, I'll always ask for the hard copies.
Now
Whereas,
you know, right.
whereas when it comes to, तो ये email है ना, ये soft copy है ना, and those things keeps so frequently that I am unable to cope up with that.
Right,
So
right. Interesting, very
yeah,
interesting.
so this is the basic thing, and that changes the entire spectrum of how we behave amongst the
जी
companies.
जी जी तो ये जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कहते हैं वो पर्सनल एंड फैमिली दोनों के बीच में होता है या इट ट्रांजैक्ट्स बिटवीन टू? ये क्या है, क्या कॉन्फ्लिक्ट? या तो हाउ डिड यू मैनेज एंड टेक ओवर ऑल द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, और हाउ डिड द ट्रांजिशन हैपन?
So, first things first, there is nothing personal in it.
ओके,
Uh,
वेरी गुड.
as a one of the values of the organization, the conversation has been that these are my thoughts, and in Gujarati there is a very well known proverb ke matbed hoy shake
मनभेद
manbhed
ना
na.
हो सके, करेक्ट,
Right, so there is a difference of opinion, but objectives where what we want to reach is the same. So
राइट.
that clarity of thought is the foundation on based on which things are happening.
अच्छा, वेरी गुड.
Number two, which is related to the first question of how did the transition happen. uh, it's a very common myth that if you are the next generation and if you are the only son, then things are being you are taken care of, but it's not that way. When I joined my family business, I had an offer letter from Citibank which was 50,000 rupees a month
ओह,
back in 2008, and I had asked my grandfather and my father, I mean, BE Mechanical, MBA, 50,000 rupees of offer letter on hand. I want
क्या
to
करूं?
join family business.
Naturally.
What will you give me? Okay,
Oh,
and
I think that's right.
I had expected 15,000 rupees. A substantial decrement. They told me you might get 1,500 rupees. Okay, at that point of time, the engineer in the company was getting around 10,000 rupees.
I see. Okay.
And I was asked to be paid 1,500 rupees. But that is not the conversation. At that point of time, I had a lot of disheartenment because my friends were driving bigger cars. My
Right.
friends were having money on
Oh, very
hand when they're going, which I did not. Coincidentally, I got engaged very soon after I completed my MBA.
Okay.
So when somebody is going for a coffee with your fiance, you are always worried. But there is a reason behind it. The reason is that you understand the value of money and you understand the value of value.
Value.
And how do you create a value?
Correct.
So the conversation was, if you earn,
So to earn and prove your credibility.
when succession comes, I was not allowed to be the CEO of the company on day one.
I
For the first position, my father used to tell me, you are PA to Pune, personal assistant to the Pune of the
Acha,
company.
oh, very good. Very interesting.
Okay, and the department which was little lacking was marketing, and I was asked that you don't touch my customers, find new customers. You may try to do some products use some of the products and legacy, but don't touch my customers. And that is how from one department to the next department to the next department to the next. It is somewhere around COVID that I have been given more
So,
reins.
what duration? After what duration?
2008 to 2020.
Oh, I see. Long.
And even the ownership of the company, I did not get ownership of the company on day one. I was working for 1,500 rupees per month, which I have not paid more than 4 months also. Okay, for a good, and for every percentage of equity, there was a family committee which sat together to decide in my presence and in my absence.
Oh, I see.
So, and that too when I am the only son.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but is this child or is this
Wonderful,
boy
very
is this boy capable? Is he truthful? Can he take that responsibility? These are all conversations that has happened.
Oh, very good.
So-
So that is, I think, usual part on the part of the elder people to think of it. And so, how did you feel that you wanted to prove something to them, or you got involved with your kind of the passion? How did it happen actually? It was not 1,500, I know.
Yeah,
So
it
what
was-
was
there
it?
was-
What was it?
One is, of course, inheritance. There is no questions about it. But see, the legacy is true and clear. When you
Right.
go and talk to your clients, they tell you that this is the legacy that you are holding. Means me knowing more importantly than people telling me, the customers coming and
अच्छा
telling me,
वो कहते होंगे आपको
okay, you are coming over here, you don't know what your seniors have done. They would have a legacy that, there is a there is a minutes of the meeting which is way back in 1962 between Aditya Birla Group's Grasim unit and my grandfather. There are some letters which are between Tata Chemicals, letter of record, thanking letter from the CEO of Tata Chemicals that my
ओह,
father has been.
बहुत अच्छा
So these are things
तो ये
that
लोग
legacy है.
हाँ, लोग आपको बताते
हाँ,
हैं
and how do we take it forward?
so it takes you to a different level
And but at the same point of time, it is even more challenging.
right
I call it the next gen. So for any new entrepreneur,
जी.
the problem happens to be that they are new. For any next gen entrepreneur, we are working in a shadow. So
शुरू में हाँ
excuse me using these words, but then I empathize with them. That's why I'm saying I call it Rohan Gavaskar, Arjun Tendulkar, Abhishek Bachchan.
अभिषेक बच्चन में बोलने वाला ही था
And Abhishek Bachchan is such an amazing actor.
yes but he's
Guru,
under shadow.
but then Amitabh Bachchan is a legend. So if Abhishek Bachchan would be somebody else, he might have been much more.
हमेशा कंपेयर किए जाते हैं इनके साथ हाँ
Same thing is applicable for me when I'm going to my customers that Anand ji to ye karte the, Sharad ji to ye karte the, aap kya kar rahe ho? And these are challenges to be.
जी सही बात है आई थिंक ये अभी इश्यू हमारे वहाँ भी हो रहे हैं यंग जनरेशन में जैसे आपने सही बताया तो आपने जब लिया तो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ चेंजेस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन और न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी न्यू थिंग यू इंट्रोड्यूस बिकॉज आई थिंक वन साइड इज कंटिन्यूइंग द बिजनेस बट देन ग्रोइंग एंड इंट्रोड्यूसिंग समथिंग न्यू so as it once you took over
So
how was your strategy or thinking or what you wanted to contribute
I don't think so I have taken over because on a daily basis in breakfast and dinners there is a conversation of what is happening and the report is being taken by my mother more than my father.
Okay, very good.
And it is cross questioned about what to him and me, both of us. She is the MD.
Very interesting.
Okay, and and there is so on our way over here there was a conversation that I was having with my father today that I sometimes have this thoughts that am I on the right track or not. This is a conversation I was having with my father on because of some decisions that we are taking, and this is what he told me that important thing is transparency. The good, the bad, the ugly needs to be told.
Share karte raho.
And told to all the stakeholders, right? My wife, as on the date, is not a partner in the company, but she should know. Now, this is a very contemporary approach because a lot of family businesses today believe that the business talk should be out of the residential grade, which is not a thought process from how I have been brought up.
Very interesting.
So, but to answer your question about what new, it has always been new.
Okay.
If I have to talk about my father's journey from 1978, I think that is when you
very true
till if I may use COVID as a benchmark after which because of medical reasons, because of the age, his coming to offices was reduced. He would have come out with 6 to 7 different offerings
to the market.
Same customers. Vals, but different. And if I have to consider me who had joined full-time 2008, this is 2026, right? Which is a shorter tenure as compared to his 45 years. It is 13 to 14 which I have counted.
Very true.
So, one other thing that he usually says that yes, you are next generation, it's family business, but is it new business?
No.
Is it old business? And it's a very debatable issue.
Very true.
So,
is it transforming your business in a different
based on the continuously changing needs of the customers, you have to upgrade yourself, innovate, come out with new offerings, come out with new things, collaborate with people, and offer.
Correct. So actually, it's a very interesting journey, and I think wonderful understanding and transition happening, and a lot of values, like you say. I think mother and grandmother playing a role. I think previous entrepreneur also said same thing. This I think our listener must listen to it. So as a family business, what is the greatest challenge that you experienced, and how did it happen that you let it go, or you let it go, or he took over? How were you feeling?
The first thing first again. In our family, we talk in absolute transparency.
Acha.
My interest, my son's interest, the future, the past, everything is looked back and again forth. The most important thereof inside this as well is we never carry forward anybody's conversation beyond limits.
Oh, I see.
जैसे ही ये टॉपिक खत्म हुआ वहां पे इट इज क्लोज्ड फॉर गुड.
Okay.
तूने ये कहा था, मैंने ये सोचा था,
आगे नहीं.
आगे ये
No
टॉपिक बंद हो
complication, no
गया,
more
खत्म.
complication.
सो दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. अगर किसी भी तरह से ये टॉपिक बाद में दोबारा आता है तो देयर इज अ वीटो पावर.
Okay.
You cannot talk.
Right.
So you cannot talk. So the most important thing is we do not carry forward. That also applicable to the people working besides us.
Jesus.
It is never that कि भाई ये हो चुका है, इसके हिसाब से मैं इस तरह से सोचूंगा और ये इसका ये परिणाम आएगा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं.
तो भी आप चाहते हैं कि कैसे कंट्रोल होता है? वो बैठ के करते हैं, जाके करते हैं, आप कंट्रोल करते हैं कि नहीं करते हैं? पहला हमारा ये सवाल ये है.
देखो जो सच चीज है वो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ. मुझे ये उम्र में कंट्रोल करने की इच्छा नहीं है.
अच्छा जी. करने की जरूरत भी नहीं होगी शायद.
करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. जरूरत क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि इफ आई स्टार्ट डूइंग इट आई एम इम्प्लीमेंटिंग माई पर्सनालिटी ओवर हिम.
ओह, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
A business has to grow, and if it has to grow, it has to change, and if it has to change, it has to have a new perspective.
Correct.
So if it has to be having a new perspective, so I should withdraw to an extent that the principles are not sacrificed.
जी, बिल्कुल.
Principle sacrifice किए बिना the growth should keep on happening, but my presence and continuous efforts or pinching will be not.
लेकिन उन्होंने बताया हमेशा बात करते रहना, जानना क्या हो रहा है.
हाँ, that's all. उससे आगे मैं करूँ, हाँ, do it.
Correct.
कई बार ये सामने से ही टेलिंग मी कि ये कोटेशन दिए है, इसके हिसाब से मुझे ये इसके हिसाब से इतना 1,000 रुपीज़ का लाख रुपीज़ का नुकसान हुआ. वेरी गुड. क्योंकि इट इज अ लर्निंग फॉर हिम कि भाई ये इट इज ऑलवेज एन अफोर्डेबल लॉस. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि हाँ ये आगे तू नहीं करेगा. ये अफोर्डेबल लॉस होता है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
लर्निंग वे ऑफ
डू इट एंड यू शुड बी एबल टू टेल फ्यूचर जनरेशंस के मैंने ये गलती की थी, या मेरे पिताजी ने ये गलती की थी, कि मेरे दादाजी ने ये गलती की थी. दीज आर ऑल रिमेम्बरेंसेस एंड दैट इज द वे वी percolate the experiences, we percolate the issues, and then we match to
very good. तो एक बहुत अच्छा बात बताया आनंद जी आपने कि ये पूरी प्रोसेस है, उसमें कैसे देखा जाए. तो एक फैमिली बिजनेस में ऐसे कहते हैं कि ओल्डर जनरेशन टू न्यू जनरेशन जाते जाते ओल्डर जनरेशन का लॉट ऑफ वैल्यूज वेर देयर, लॉट ऑफ नेटवर्किंग वॉज देयर, पर उनकी जो मैनेजमेंट प्रैक्टिस थी वो ट्रेडिशनल थी ऐसे कहते हैं. तो एक उसको प्रोफेशनलाइजेशन करने के, मॉडर्न करने की ज़रूरत है ऐसा माना जाता है, ऐसा डिस्कस किया जाता है. तो आपको क्या समझते हैं, व्हाट डज प्रोफेशनलाइजेशन, डिजिटलाइजेशन, न्यू मैनेजमेंट प्रैक्टिस रियली मीन? इज इट देयर समथिंग लाइक दैट और नॉट?
So my father is a rarity over there.
Okay.
He is somebody who rebelled with his senior generation to put up a computer system and computer based modeling in 1989.
Oh, I see.
So he was the person who pioneered ISO 9002 systems way back in 1999.
Oh,
Okay, one of the first MSMEs in Gujarat to get a ISO certification was ours.
oh, I see. Very good.
Okay.
Very true.
So
So he already had that kind of
the difference of opinion or the difference in thought process, I have inherited a lot.
जी.
The difference is this, that whatever he used to do, it at that point of time the appropriate thing was paperwork, and he used to keep everything on hard copy. I very fondly remember 2009 there was an ISO audit where the auditor had come and told that why are you keeping hard copy? Everybody is going ERP and everybody is going digital. You cannot keep hard copy, otherwise traceability is an issue. Now traceability is that अगर आपका पिछले 2 साल पुराने का कोई आपने ऑर्डर किया है,
तो
उसका डेटा लेके आओ. So he literally opened up a document and saying कि अगर ये पेपर आप अगले 3 मिनट में लेके आओगे तो मैं यहाँ पे ऑडिट खत्म कर दूंगा.
अच्छा.
And he got it in less than 45 seconds.
Oh.
That was his traceability, and that was his documentation system processes, the SOPs he had developed
Wonderful.
personally after investing a lot of time, effort and money.
अच्छा.
The difference is I am trying to digitize it.
Oh, right.
I am trying to take it on the cloud.
Cloud.
I am trying to build systems and processes such that my personal physical involvement, my presence is needed to minuscule, because at this point of time the systems and processes were such that these technologies were not available. If they were available, they're not at a available cost. आज वो बहुत सस्ते में
जी,
अवेलेबल है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो यही
And
कॉन्वर्सेशन
then you can focus your energy on something
On
else.
something
because
new.
New. Always thinking.
क्योंकि अगर मैं बोलूं कि उन्होंने 7 प्रोडक्ट डेवलप किए 40 साल में, तो प्रोडक्ट लाइफ साइकिल कितनी हुई? 6 साल.
6 साल.
हम लोग की 18 महीने है सर. अगर मेरे पास बैक बर्नर पे कोई 4 प्रोडक्ट नए डेवलपमेंट में नहीं हो रहे हो,
हाँ,
तो मैं रेलेवेंट नहीं रहूंगा अगले 18 महीने बाद.
अच्छा. तो ये नई प्रोडक्ट और नई चीज करने में भी काफी MSMEs आर नॉट कमिंग फॉरवर्ड. सो हाउ व्हाट वुड यू रेकमेंड देम, व्हाई इट इज नीडेड? एंड पीपल थिंक इनोवेशन करना, नई चीज करना बहुत मुश्किल है. तो व्हाट, हाउ डू यू से न्यू प्रोडक्ट, व्हाट डज इट मीन?
सो सबसे पहले मेरा मानना है कि एक जमाना था जब फिलिप कॉटलर साहब ने प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस का डिफरेंशिएशन किया था. आज जमाना है कि दुनिया को कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता प्रोडक्ट दे रहे हो सर्विस दे रहे हो, उनको सॉल्यूशन से मतलब है. नंबर 1.
वेरी ट्रू.
और नया करने की जरूरत इसलिए क्योंकि आपके कस्टमर्स की नीड्स चेंज हो रही है. और अगर आप उनके साथ में चर्चा करते वक्त सुन नहीं रहे हो कि उनकी नीड्स कैसे चेंज हो रही है, तो आपका रेलेवेंस कम होता जाएगा. फिर आप बोलोगे मुझे उधारी ज्यादा देनी पड़ रही, मेरा पैसा फंस गया. ये सब कॉन्वर्सेशन
कॉमन,
राइट? ये सब पूरे इकोसिस्टम. बट अगर आप नए प्रॉब्लम्स की जो आ रहे हैं उनका नए सॉल्यूशंस दे रहे हो, तो ये कॉन्वर्सेशन कम होते हैं.
जी.
हम लोग डाकोर के रणछोड़ राय जी के भक्त हैं, मतलब कृष्ण भगवान के भक्त हैं, और खास करके रणछोड़ राय जी के भक्त हैं. Krishna Bhagwan had won a lot of wars, but he had also taught that an opportune time, leave.
Right.
Some battles are not worth fighting.
Correct.
So choose the battles. Whenever the market becomes crowded, it is a battle which is not worth fighting. This is also something that I inherited from my grandfather, my father. The difference is that they had some more time, I had lesser time. And because of that, I can build teams and systems which can do the normal stuff, and I can concentrate on newer product designs, newer understanding, newer conversation. That's where the difference.
तो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग है. तो ये हम जो बात कर रहे हैं फैमिली बिजनेस की, तो हम हमारे जो कोर्स भी है इसमें पढ़ा भी रहे हैं. तो आई थिंक सिंस यू आर ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व इन एकेडमिक, तो ये एकेडमिक और प्रैक्टिकल, बच्चे हमेशा कहते हैं प्रैक्टिकल सिखाओ, तो एकेडमिक और प्रैक्टिकल की बैलेंस क्या है? क्या हमें इनको दिखाना चाहिए, क्या मैसेज देना चाहिए, कैसे ये कन्वे करना चाहिए? आपका एक्सपीरियंस से तो काफ़ी कुछ करने हुआ है, बट ऐसे आप बता सकते हैं?
So when it was coming for the innovations, I was always aspiring to do something new. And it wasn't coming in the minds because those times it was a closed ecosystem. वर्ल्ड में क्या हो रहा है, इंडिया में क्या चाहिए, उसमें बहुत सारा डिफरेंस था और पता भी नहीं चलता था. तो what I would like to do as if I go to the customer, I would go to the customer's maintenance department, wherein what problems they are facing I should be able to gather. And if I'm able to give them the solutions that give me a mileage from the customer's point of view as well as from the competitors' points of view. So that is the way I survived. So that if I'm giving solutions, then I'm getting more benefits, more profits, and then also more penetration for the further businesses. Going from word to mouth कि भी ये तो solutions देता है, जैसे उन्होंने कहा, तो it is a trustworthy thing that I always would like to develop with the new customers. That's the way. अब और चीज़ मुझे कहनी थी एग्जाम्पल के साथ में, ये चीज़ बिल्कुल बदल चुकी है.
अच्छा.
अब इतनी सारी इंटरनेट पर डिटेल्स आ रही है which I am not able to cope up, whereas the next generation is able to cope up. कि मैं पहले हार्ड कॉपी में स्पेसिफिकेशंस रखता था, and those times some at the date I do recall प्लांट एंड मशीनरी की जितनी वैल्यू थी उससे ज़्यादा वैल्यू मेरे पास में हार्ड कॉपी में स्पेसिफिकेशंस
ओरिजिनल स्टैंडर्ड स्पेसिफिकेशन, पेड स्टैंडर्ड से. तो वी वर बेसिकली इंस्टीट्यूशन वेयर वी लाइक टू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स.
Very true. I think that's a very
So that was the main target कि भी हमें कुछ नया देना है, कुछ नई चीज देनी है. That was the basic. The means has been changed, Previously, it was hard copy. Now it is the soft copy, and beyond that,
जी, जी,
here's
वेरी
approach.
गुड, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। अनय, ये जो पेरेंट यंग जनरेशन के बीच की जो डायनामिक्स है, इसको अगर समझा जाए तो पेरेंट और स्टूडेंट के बीच में साथ में कोई फोरम पे लाके डिस्कस करना चाहिए कि एकेडमिक में ये करना मुश्किल है? आपने कुछ उसमें अनुभव किए हैं तो बताइए थोड़ा।
So, as I rightly pointed out, सक्सेशन प्लानिंग में हम लोग को एक प्रोफेसर जो मेरे लिए बहुत अजीज है, आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन हिम ओवर, अजय दीक्षित सर। आई थिंक सो यू हैव
Ajay Dikshit, yes, yes, very
worked with him very well. He has been an instrumental in my career. He used to call the senior generation as बाबूजी।
अच्छा।
Yes.
एंड उनका ये कहना था कि अगर आपको बाबूजी को अपने धंधे में से थोड़ा बाहर लेना हो तो उनके लिए नई एक्टिविटी ढूंढो, आइडेंटिफाई करो और उनको वहां पे एंगेज करो।
अच्छा।
ओके, सो मेरा एकेडेमिया में इन्वॉल्वमेंट पहले ज़्यादा था और हम दोनों का एक अनरिटन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ये है कि मैं एकेडेमिया से 2 स्टेप पीछे लूंगा,
हाँ।
बिजनेस में रहूंगा और एकेडेमिया
ये बस हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है।
now in a very interesting way there are some sessions that we take together, and over here also at LJ we have done some
जी।
initiatives in the matters where there are students and their parents, then the upcoming generation, the parents who come together in a
You
classroom.
have done it in many places,
At many places we have done it,
like Ahmedabad University.
we have done it at Ahmedabad University, we have done it at Nirma University, we have done it at multiple other places also. And the senior generation is so there is an initial joint session between all.
जी।
Why are we doing, what are we doing, orientation. Then there would be another classroom where my father would interact with the senior generation.
अच्छा, अलग अलग बैठे।
अलग बिठाएंगे, and then he would share his experiences, he would share the SOPs, he would share the theory of succession planning.
अच्छा, अच्छा।
And in another classroom I would be interacting with the younger generation
Simultaneously.
simultaneously, parallel class.
अच्छा।
And we would have a conversation about my experiences, how to persuade, how to use the other family members,
जी।
what are the systems, processes, why transparency is important, what are the frameworks,
अच्छा।
what are the SOPs.
Oh, I see.
We discussed that, and then we would end the session at the end, after dinner we would have a common session with both the generations sitting on a table and drafting out a 1,000-day plan.
Oh, interesting.
And we have had such amazing experiences over there. There are children, there are parents who have cried in front of us saying that we have never had such conversations.
Very
with our,
interesting. Very interesting.
there have been women students who have never had that opportunity to talk to their parents, that
Right.
and never knowing that what she aspires for. Okay, and in such conversations we would also invite the siblings.
Siblings.
Okay, so there would be a family conference in our thought process as it should happen would happen simultaneously, and we would all monitor it.
Oh, it's a very,
And document.
very wonderful. So I think I wish we would like to do it at LJ University sometime.
For sure.
But then I think there is still a gap between the parent and student, not allowing them to come. So what was their readiness? What made them ready to come together? Because I find that this is a hesitation.
Yeah.
sometimes.
So yes, in a class of 120 students, around 60 odd families came.
Oh, very good. That is very good.
But then once the 60 families shared their experiences with the other 60, what they missed out on, we were invited to do it again.
Oh, wonderful.
We were invited
wonderful.
to
Yeah,
do
they
it
must have understand the value.
We were invited to do it for alum also.
जी, जी,
And
जी.
for the next, so it's because it's a transformational 10 hours together.
हाँ,
The
correct,
conversations
correct. Very
that
true,
they have
very true.
never had,
Very true. Very
they are having for the first time, and they are given SOPs and formats to have conversations like this
बहुत अच्छा.
for life.
અચ્છા અચ્છા તો એ આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં કહેવાય છે ને પારકીમાં વિધે
હા,
એવું થયું કોઈ
હા.
બહારના કન્સલ્ટન્ટ એડવાઇઝર બહારના માણસોને અંદર લાવવા જરૂરી છે और ऐसे शायद ये ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव होगा
Sir,
क्योंकि इनके बीच का जो
Absolutely. So again, I would like to say that there were some difficult days, just like any other business. There are difficult days in my business also, and at that point of time, Ajay Dikshit sir has been instrumental.
oh very true.
My grandfather had asked Ajay Dikshit sir to come and meet.
अच्छा अच्छा
Okay, that in conversations where what to do, what are the times, how should things happen. So these are very important.
Yes, very true, very true.
And there are professionals, and this is to all the audiences.
करेक्ट
Chandramouli Pathak sir is a legendary, internationally acclaimed professional in the matters to handle family counseling and family business counseling. There are professionals out there, and there is nothing wrong in taking their help.
Right.
And because they give a third party perspective, they have experience. They will never share which are the families that they have worked with, but there are some legendary families that they have worked with, and their experience is of lot of importance when we are in a bit of a spot. It's very important to involve.
Yeah, I did like to involve myself over here. See, it goes this way that we have difference of opinion, whether it is in the terms of investments or
So what
we
kind
working-
of advice you like to give to parents?
Yes, I'm coming to that. So, as a parent, now I'm talking to the audience. I'm parent, and the company's previous performer. So it several times so happens we have a difference of opinion.
ये तो रहता ही है
रहता ही है. अब वीटो पावर हमेशा यूज नहीं होता है.
जी.
न तो मेरे वाइफ या फिर जो गवर्निंग अथॉरिटी जो होती है उनके पास में भी कई बार हाथ बंधे होते हैं. तो वी डू टेक अ प्रोफेशनल हेल्प.
अच्छा, ओके.
सो वी डू नॉट सी कि भाई अब प्रोफेशनल हेल्प में लीजेंडरी हो जाता है कि भाई ये चीज उन्होंने प्रोफेशनल के हिसाब से कही थी. That will pass on to the generations.
जी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So it is not that कि भाई ये यहाँ पे खत्म हो जाता है. और एक और चीज है कि जो भी प्रोफेशनल कहेंगे ना वो मानना पड़ता है,
बिल्कुल.
और वो उसमें कोई आर्ग्यूमेंट नहीं चलती.
એટલે जैसे अनय ने बताया बाहर का एक व्यू आएगा तो यू रीथिंक एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग समथिंग
So
इन
it
अ
is
डिफरेंट
not
पर्सपेक्टिव.
not taking part or participation or taking sides.
जी,
You have to take it very broadly कि मुझे करना है in the interest of the company. Not in the interest of family only, or not the interest of the stakeholders only, but to the entire business in a family.
बहुत अच्छा. तो ये पूरी डिस्कशन अनय आई थिंक आई गिव यू टाइम. इससे हम जो बात कर रहे हैं पूरी फैमिली बिजनेस की लीगसी, प्रोफेशनलाइजेशन, सक्सेशन प्लानिंग, सब कुछ आपने एकेडमिक और प्रैक्टिकल तरफ से कवर कर दिया है. तो माय लास्ट रिक्वेस्ट टू यू विल बी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एडवाइस और टिप्स यू वुड लाइक टू गिव टू द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन एंटरप्रेन्योर who are techno savvy, who are ambitious, who want to do many things, and how should they proceed and how should they really take a message from your discussions?
So I'll just add one more thing what he was
Ji.
saying, that these meetings with externals where are documented. In a family, there are no minutes of the meeting, but they are in our family.
I see.
Because you have an opportunity to look back
Look
at it.
back, you can refer.
Because मैं कीधु तू मैंने ये कहा था तुमने ये कहा था
वो
हम
जो
भी
चला
उसको
जाता है
sign-
भूल जाते हैं.
it is signed just
Oh.
like a minutes of the meeting. Okay, that is one. My request to the new generation is this, that I have had so many of these next gen young Gen Z and Gen Alpha entrepreneurs who are coming into the business, family business, thinking that this is all chaos.
हाँ.
This is all chaos. My dearest beloved friends, a system that you don't understand seems like a chaos.
Correct.
There is a need to sit down, spend some time inside your organization to learn the system which seems to you as
And
chaos.
then make the decision. Yeah.
Okay, so give it some time. Okay, I very fondly remember the first few days when I was in the family business. I used to rebel a lot. I used to get frustrated a lot, and we used to have long arguments. But then, and I used to ask my friends, my senior, my professors in the matters, and they would say, "Hang in there, understand the systems." And once you understand the systems, once you gain respect,
जी.
don't demand it, you command it.
Correct.
Then you propose something, your team will be on your side.
Right.
The moment your senior generation's generals, the most important people of your senior generation start taking your side, they will get pissed off in the face of it, but in
But
the
in
heart
fact-
of their heart, they are very happy.
Yes,
Right. Very true. Very well said.
Very
well
well,
said.
very
Very
well
well said.
So if you are able to win your team, which is your seniors team, with a lot of respect, love, and with an attitude to learn from them, because they know more about your business than you do.
Correct.
You are here since last 6 months, maybe less, and they are here in the business since years, decades. You have to give them respects,
Right.
give them a status of a guru, learn from them. Take their inputs. Would it be interesting to showcase this to the senior generation? They will be your best guides.
I'd like to share. If you,
Right. So what to advise? you would like to
So
do?
it so happened. There's a live example with us. The first day I went to my company, I was given a dress code like thing. कि भाई आपको फॉर्मल ड्रेस में ही आना है. You cannot wear the way you like it.
I see.
हाँ, तो मैंने ठीक है. So I took it and accepted it, and I went through for that the entire tenure of my business. Now the next generation has come.
Mm-hmm.
The next generation, this has actually happened.
अच्छा.
This has actually happened. My next generation, my son, sat beside me in the car, and he was wearing jeans. And jeans, those were not acceptable in business.
Yes.
The height of it. I said, Beta, if you want to come to the office, come in the formals. He said, No, I'm not coming in formal. This is formal. Now, this is the point of interaction. The last thing I said, if you want to come to the office and join the business, come in the formals because it is traditional. Otherwise, leave the office.
Oh, I see. अच्छा.
Leave the office. I do not want you. Now, to the generations and the viewers and everybody, sometimes it is better to lose than to argue.
Hmm.
He never argued. He said, okay. He changed it. 6 months passed on and he did it. He did it thoroughly. We went to one of the companies as for a business interaction, and there we found everybody wearing jeans, and the company was 10,000 crores worth and more.
Oh, I see.
So-
No, foreign country?
No,
Indian
it's
company. Oh, interesting. Very interesting. A wonderful experience.
So he just said very softly, Papa, this industry is more better or more larger than us.
And then they are already.
No, you see, everybody is wearing jeans. So what do you think about it? So he just look back and say, I was before 6 months insisting कि भाई मुझे formal ही चाहिए.
फिर देखा आपने.
अब मैं change नहीं करूँगा तो क्या करूँगा?
Correct.
So the important thing is those times.
Both sides, yes.
Yes, both sides. Those times my son said, okay, I'm accepting. बाद में जब ही रियलाइज करना होता है तो ही मेड मी रियलाइज कि आपको जो करना है करो भाई. आई एम गोइंग आउट.
Good. Very interesting. Very interesting. So thank you very much. I think it was a wonderful experience, and I'm sure हमारे लिसनर ने काफ़ी कुछ मैसेज दिया होगा. ये तो हम इनका उपयोग करेंगे, क्लासरूम में भी करेंगे, काफ़ी लोगों के लिए करेंगे. Really appreciate your time and experience.
It's
of
always a
sharing
pleasure.
and your continuous interaction with our student and LJ. Thank you very much. Anna, you are doing wonderful work. You are a great mentor and helping a lot of startup and entrepreneurs. So keep it. Wish you all the best for your company. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.